Get into the 2019 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, MOONROOF, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.